Hi there, and welcome to Propel. I'm Lily, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some essential tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Propel's AI-powered media database, your go-to tool for finding the perfect journalists for your pitch. Propel is the world's only fully AI-powered journalist contact database. Unlike legacy databases that rely on old-school text matching, we use advanced AI algorithms that understand the context of your prompt and connect you with the most relevant journalists. Whether you're after verified contacts, niche topics, or building hyper-targeted media lists, this guide will show you how to make it happen. Let's start by heading over to the Discover tab in Propel. This is where you'll access the media database and begin your search for the right journalists and outlets for your campaign. By default, the Only Show Verified Contacts toggle is on. This ensures you're seeing journalists with verified contact information. Turn it off to view all available contacts. Next, paste in your pitch, press release, or simply type in a few key phrases separated by commas related to your news. Then hit Search. You'll notice 3 tabs appear with different search modes. High Reasoning AI. This is our newest and smartest feature. It goes beyond keywords to understand the context of your prompt, surfacing the most relevant journalists, even for complex or niche stories. Click on Why Me to get detailed reasoning for the top 50 matches, so you know exactly why each journalist made the list. Rapid AI. This mode gives you fast, AI-powered results, up to 200 journalists who match your prompt. Need to move quickly without compromising on relevance. This is your go-to. Pro tip, click Relevant Articles to see the top 3 articles that brought each journalist into your results. If you prefer the classic method, switch to the Keyword Search tab. It uses traditional keyword-based logic, and it's ideal for broader or more general topics. Want to exclude a certain topic? Use the Exclude Topic Keywords field. If you already have a specific journalist or outlet in mind, use the Name and/or Outlet field. By default, the exact match box is checked, but if you're unsure of the exact spelling, uncheck it for a more flexible search. Propel also offers powerful filters to help you zero in on the right contacts. Filter by job title, classification, reach, location, or media type, depending on your campaign's goals. Once you've found the right journalists, adding them to a media list is super easy. Just check the box next to their name and click Add to Media List. You can even create a new list on the fly to keep everything organized. With these tips, you'll be fully equipped to harness the power of Propel's AI-powered media database and find the best journalists for your next pitch, faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.